Polly Parrot and the Crystal Cave Clue. Polly Parrot was gliding over the misty emerald hills when she noticed a strange glint from below, a flicker of light hidden behind vines and moss. Curious as ever, she swooped down and discovered the entrance to a secret cave. "It looks like a sparkle party in there," Polly chirped, stepping carefully inside. The cave glittered with shimmering crystals of every color. But it wasn't just beautiful, it was a mystery. Carved into one of the glowing walls was a riddle. "I am not alive, but I grow. I don't have lungs, but I need air. I don't have a mouth, yet water kills me. What am I?" Polly tapped her beak. "Not alive. Needs air. Water is bad for it." She fluttered in a thoughtful circle. Just then she heard a voice echo from deeper in the cave. "Is someone out there?" It was Cosmo the cave bat. He had gotten lost while exploring and couldn't find the way out. "I got turned around while trying to solve the riddle," Cosmo said. "And now the crystals keep changing colors." Polly looked around. "Wait a minute. The crystals flash when we speak. Maybe they're guiding us." With each clever guess Polly made certain crystals pulsed brighter. Finally she shouted, "Fire!" The cave lit up with golden light, and a new tunnel appeared, leading straight to the exit. "You solved it," Cosmo cheered. Outside, the sun was rising and the crystals in Polly's feathers sparkled. Cosmo gave her a tiny crystal pendant as thanks. "Next time I explore a cave," he said, "I'm bringing a brilliant bird with me." Polly smiled. "Just whistle, and I'll wing my way over."